Hey, what's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how this one affiliate marketing website is able to make over 6 figures a month on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you guys the steps they utilize. I'm going to show you guys the website they use. I'm going to show you guys secret tactics that she's using to actually help her generate traffic to actually convert to make this amount of commissions on her website. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah, guys, let's jump right into it. And I'm going to actually break down. This website is actually called Making Sense of Sense. And this is kind of a personal finance website that is an affiliate authority website. But I want to show you guys the great thing about this website is actually she shows her exact income breakdown reports that she actually makes for this website. So we're going to pull it up right here. You're going to see she made around $104,065 in the month of April 2018. Now, you may be wondering, how was she able to do this? Well, this was all through affiliate marketing. Okay, and believe it or not, she's making all this money 100% residual with not much work to put in the front end. And I'm going to show you guys a complete breakdown of how much she's earning from each source of income, because that's the benefit of affiliate marketing in itself. Okay, you can make multiple sources of income just from one business that you start with affiliate marketing. And I know I preach a lot about affiliate marketing because it is the best, in my opinion, it is the best online business to actually have, especially in 2018. And you can see here in March, she made over $240,000, okay, in a single month just from affiliate marketing. Kind of her whole streams of income just from this one website, okay? And you can see she has a lot of different categories here, but I'm gonna go more in depth with that in a little bit so you can see just how much money she's making from each source of income, okay? So she tells a little about her story with how her progress goes with her affiliate marketing business, okay? This is where she shows actually her income reports, okay? So this is all from affiliate marketing right here. So with Bluehost, okay? If you guys don't know what Bluehost is already, it's pretty much a hosting company that allows you to create websites and WordPress sites for a very cheap price. And guys, she literally made $46,800 from one stream of income by itself, okay? Just by posting her affiliate link. And you can see she has survey company, 6-figure blogger, she sells an Amazon FBA course. She has her own affiliate marketing course. And you can see, all this adds up to a total of $104,000 in a single month, okay? Now, how was she able to do this? Well, she was able to rank her website as an authority on the top search ranking on Google. And you guys might be wondering, how is she able to do this? Well, she has, with all these different keywords, she has a lot of backlinks on her site. And I'm going to show you guys what kind of tools you can use to actually check this. But she optimizes this site so well that Google actually favors this site and promotes it by itself 100% organically. Now, I'm not saying that you guys are going to be able to do this and make $104,000, your first month, because she actually shows how much she actually made her first year with affiliate marketing. And this is probably a more reasonable number that you can, set for yourself. And so she started in May of 2012. Now, you can see that she made only $672 in that year. And so, you can see here that ever since then, it's been a linear progression. She made, $6,523 in January, her extra income. By October of 2013, she already made almost $12,000. And so in the year of 2017 alone, she made over $1.5 million just from affiliate marketing. And you guys may be wondering, how can I do this too? Well, the site that she used, to make this website was, Bluehost. And you can see, you can sign up for as cheap as $2.95 a month, just to get started doing this. Now, she probably spends around $50 to $80 a month to manage this website. But if you're making over $1 million a year, if you can make that much in that span of time, then of course that's definitely a positive ROI that you guys can duplicate. And so Bluehost is the site that I recommend you guys sign up for. And she also, she makes a lot of money just for referring people to actually make the website for Bluehost, as I showed you earlier with how much she made just from referring people to sign up for Bluehost. But very easy to sign up. It comes with, you can see here, it comes with a free domain, free site builder, and a free WordPress install. And so the next thing you're going to want to do is utilize keywords in your website that'll help you rank better in the search results on Google. And that's what she does here with all her different categories. She does how to save money, make extra money, and that's what helps her rank better in the search ranking on Google. So, you can start it here, okay? And this is all with, you can sign up for free with your Google account. Now, you can actually pay to promote your site on the first page of Google, but I don't really recommend that. I recommend organic traffic for your website. But I mean, you can see here, if we use the keyword she uses here, so let's say, make extra money, type it in there, search that. Okay, and you're going to see a bunch of different keywords that pop up here. You're going to see the competition, the average monthly searches, the top bids. And so what you'll want to do is find the keywords that have the highest monthly searches and maybe that don't have as much competition with them. And so you're going to see the make extra money has 1 in 10,000 searches a month. Okay, and the competition's not that high. Another one right here, how to make money, 10K to 100,000 searches per month. Competition's medium. So that's where you can utilize this keyword planner for your website to help you rank better on Google. And so that's how Google's able to actually favor her website over any other one out there, because she's optimizing her website with all these keywords that help her rank higher in the search results. And that's the power of affiliate marketing, because once you rank for that certain keyword, then you're pretty much set. Okay, your money's going to come in on autopilot, and that's how you're going to create residual income for your business. Okay, now after you do the keywords, I recommend using backlinks for your site. You can always outsource this. This is one site you can use for your affiliate marketing website is SEO Clerks. You can type in backlinks here. And there's a bunch of different services that are offered here to help your website rank higher on Google. So, I mean, here's the first one right here. Over 869 people like this, only 1 dislike. Improve your Google ranking, skyrocket your Google ranking. So this is one service you can use, and that's another method you can utilize. And then after you do all that, you can also promote your website. Okay, after you're set up and all that, after you choose your niche, the next thing you can do is use Tumblr. Okay, this is one great site that you can utilize to promote your website. Okay, for those of you who don't know what Tumblr is, it's pretty much a social platform where a bunch of people share different ideas in certain niches. And you can actually make certain posts go viral, and that's going to attract a lot of people to a certain thing that you're selling. And so you can redirect them to your website. And once you do that, that's going to allow so much more organic traffic to your website. Also with Weebly, this is kind of the same category as Tumblr. These are all secondary websites that will help you boost your rankings on Google. A couple methods I use for myself with my websites to help rank better with SEO on Google. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys kind of the whole tactics you can use to help rank your website. Now, again, are you going to be able to make $104,000 a month when you're first starting out? Most likely not. But as long as you're consistent, I like to think of affiliate marketing as, the amount of work you put in is directly correlated to the results you're going to get back out of it. So as long as you have the right strategy and you're utilizing different resources to your advantage, then yeah, you can very well make this amount of money from this website. And you can see, the person right here, there's nothing special about these people that make these websites. I mean, you can see here that this girl started out with only $672 in a month, okay? And then she was able to expand that $672 to over $1 million profit just from one website now. And that's the power of affiliate marketing, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys the unlimited potential of how affiliate marketing works and why it's my favorite business model, because this is only scratching the surface of the true potential you can make from affiliate marketing, okay? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Yeah, guys, take care.
Stumbling through the sky.